A 55-year-old mechanic noticed a teenager watching him work every day after school. The kid never said a word, just stood by the fence, studying every move. Finally, the mechanic asked what he wanted. "I'm in a gang," the boy said, "but I want out. This looks like honest work." Everyone told the mechanic to walk away. "You'll attract trouble," they warned. Instead, he started teaching the kid basic repairs after hours. For 18 months, he mentored him through his GED, bailed him out of jail twice when old gang ties pulled him back. The gang didn't like losing a member. They vandalized the shop, made threats. The mechanic never quit on the kid. When the teenager turned 18, the mechanic helped him get a business loan for his own garage. 5 years later, that former gang member owns 3 shops and employs 12 people, mostly former at-risk youth. He credits his mentor with saving his life. One man's risky investment in a troubled kid multiplied into community transformation. Sometimes the biggest risks create the biggest rewards.